Hey guys, this is Nidhi and welcome to my channel. Well, in today's look, I'll be showing you guys these smudged coal eyes. It is inspired by our Bollywood actresses, none other than Kareena Kapoor Khan and Deepika Padukone. They really carry this look very well. If you've seen most of my videos, I don't wear kajal. So it is only for this video that I have put so much of kajal and smudged it. And also guys, festive season has begun and it's Ganesh Chaturthi. It's day 2 of Ganesh Chaturthi and I have Ganapati Bappa at home. In fact, I'll show you my Ganapati Bappa in this video. And also guys, I was getting ready for the puja and I was like, why not create this look today? Also, since you all tell me that I am in open hair in all my videos, that's because I really like my face in open hair, but I decided to do something different for you guys and created this sleek bun. Very easy to create. When you have oily hair, just do this so you don't have to wash your hair. So anyways guys, let's get started with the video. So get your makeup kit or get your tea, coffee, whatever you like, because it is a pretty long video. First thing first, applying a moisturizer. I'm using MAC Stroke Cream. Next, I'm filling my eyebrows using this Color Bar pencil. Guys, please excuse me for these unshaped, unkept eyebrows. I haven't been to a salon since lockdown for threading. So I just pluck my extra growth, the extra hair, and that's about it. They're already too thick right now, so I don't need to create any external line and shape them, just going with the original shape of my eyebrows. You know, I always use eyebrow pomades in my videos or the eyeshadow palettes to fill my eyebrow, but I was like, oh, I have this pencil, let me show you guys the pencil, how it looks. So yes, you have to be a little careful when you're using a pencil because it can you have to really blend and keep your hands very soft, otherwise you'll have those lines, prominent lines in your eyebrows, which won't look good. Now I'm taking this concealer from LA Girl. This one is shade Creamy Beige. I just want to shape my eyebrows a little more and that's why I'm using this concealer. Guys, how do you like me in this neat oily bun? Well, my hair, I just wanted to do something different to my hair, so I just applied some wax, water, and just tied them up loosely. So much for eyebrows. I think I really need to go for threading. Applying some concealer on the lid as well. So now for the transition color or the crease color, I'm taking a burnt orange shade like this. Now I'm taking this brown shade. This one is from Innisfree. So applying this color in the outer corner, in the outer V, and also just blending it a little bit on the crease. Do you guys do Ganesh Puja? Well, this is my first Ganesh Chaturthi, as in this is the first time I got Ganeshji at home, and I just like the whole vibe. There's so much of positivity already. Just been like 2 days, like today is the second day, but I feel really good that I'm doing all these things. I never imagined myself taking so much of a responsibility. It is a responsibility, guys. Like, I wake up early, I take a shower on time, then I make some prasad. Today I made panjiri, and then do the puja in the morning and then in the evening again. So I'm really liking it. Very happy that I took this initiative and I'm doing this. Like every year I used to do puja, but this is the first time that I got Ganeshji home.
My mom, my dad, everyone used to do this. So I'm quite happy doing this.
Right guys, so I just took a little bit of this burnt orange again and applied it here on the crease. Now I'm taking this palette from Too Faced. It's called Chocolate Gold Palette. This is how it looks. It's beautiful. I love these colors that it has, especially this purple and the pink also. I really like it. I made, in fact, a video using these two colors. Now, next thing I want to use is this icy blue one day. I'm definitely going to make a video using this icy blue color. It's so pretty. Look at this, guys. But anyways, so today I am using this color. It's called Old Money. So it's like this copperish shade. I'm just using my finger. Finger is the best thing to apply lid color, I feel. Ooh, look at that. Next, I'm taking this kajal pencil, black kajal pencil from Faces. This one is a waterproof pencil, so whenever you apply waterproof pencil, smudge it immediately. Don't wait for it to dry up, otherwise then it gets difficult. Don't forget to apply the kajal in your tight line, in the corners, and the outer corner as well. Taking some black color here in the same smudging brush, and what we're going to do is we'll just dab a little bit of this black eyeshadow on top of the liner. Make sure you don't take it all the way up, just keep it like in the lower, like close to the lashes. Now comes the highlighter, just on the brow bone right now. I have this roll-on shimmer from NYX. Not used it many times, so I just use it. I'm just gonna apply a little bit here on top of this shimmer shade that we applied. Let's see how it looks. So I've applied this NYX roll-on, but I really wouldn't suggest anyone to apply this. I mean, it's very dry. It just doesn't stay on your eyes for that long. You'll have a lot of fallouts, and I think it's great for your body. And if you're applying it on your eyes, then you should definitely apply like a glue or something, and then use this roll-on. I just used it without the glue, so I had little fallouts here. I don't know how well will this stay, but it looks pretty right now. Anyways, let's go on to our lashes. Okay, I have really bad dark circles today. I haven't slept properly, so I'm applying this orange corrector. Again, I like to apply this with my finger because it just warms the product. Apply this orange corrector if you have pigmentation here also in the mouth area and nose area. A lot of people have that, so apply the orange corrector there as well. For foundation, I'm taking L'Oreal Infallible. I love this foundation. It is such a nice drugstore product, guys. It stays very long. This is not the correct shade for me. It makes me too white. So I'm gonna mix it with another foundation. So I'm mixing it with Maybelline Fit Me foundation. I forgot my foundation brush. I have to just try that. And I am back with my brush. You guys are still here. That's so awesome. Alright, I am blending my foundation now with this brush. I don't go all the way to the neck because I always choose a shade which matches my neck. I don't like to apply the foundation till here. Just at this part, the jawline, is where I just bring the foundation down and then just keep blending it. The concealer, I'm using this LA Girl concealer in shade Pure Beige. Oops. Looks pretty neat, pretty good. I'm quite happy. But what we're gonna do is I'm just taking a shade lighter, which is this creamy beige, and it's a little peachish actually, and I am applying here just to highlight my eyes, and then a little bit here in the outer corner, and then we'll just blend it in an upward direction like this. This will really highlight and uplift your eyes. I think since I'm doing it, I should do it all over the face now. Nose. Here. I'm just using the same eyeshadow, the Innisfree eyeshadow, if you remember what we used in the outer corner. Just taking that and contouring. Oh my god, it is. Why I'm contouring, I really wanted to skip contouring today, but why I'm doing it, because I have this like flat bun and I have such broad forehead, and I really wanted my face to look well contoured and shaped. Don't forget the nose. If you have broader nose, then make sure you contour the nose as well. It just makes me think that we girls need to do so many things. I'm just putting some banana powder under the eyes. We're gonna leave it for some time, right? Till then, let's just go onto the waterline. So again, back to this Faces black gold pencil, applying it in the waterline. Same black I am applying now in the lower lashes, in the lower lash line, and we will be smudging this. Pencil brush. Guys, now I'm taking this dark brown shade and we'll be smudging this in the lower lash line. Brown mixed with black looks really, really nice. Time to take out this excess powder, and our eyes are baked nicely. Adding mascara on the lower lashes. Applying some blusher. Some highlighter now in the inner corner. And the cheekbones. Lips I'm going to keep very nude because our eyes are already very dark. Using this Kat Von D lipstick, this is shade Opera. Just fixing these little baby hair. So guys, here is the final look. Let me know what you guys think about it, and also let me quickly show you guys my Ganapati Bappa at home. Yeah, let me guys take you to the mandir. Guys, here is my Ganesh Ji, and he is an eco-friendly Ganesh Ji, so we will do the Visarjan at home only. This is the little mandir. So guys, I need to go now. I need to go and do the puja. Let me know how you guys, if you guys enjoyed this look. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the like button, and I'll see you all very soon with my next video. See you guys. Bye.